guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about my nails, and this is not a voiceover. I am actually here with you guys right now because I kind of want to describe, my experience with the PolyGel Mark Hart nail kit. So as you guys can see, I did end up losing a nail. This is 2 weeks. And all the rest of the nails are still intact. They're still very strong, still going strong. I lost this nail working out about maybe 3 days ago. So I have been chilling without a middle fingernail for about 3 days until I had time to do this video for you guys. Now, I kind of just want to show you the new growth after 2 weeks. It's better. So this is the nail after 2 weeks. This is my new growth. It's grown out quite a bit, and it's definitely time for a fill-in. But instead of doing a fill-in, I think what I'm going to do is just show you guys how to remove them. And yeah, basically that's it. I'm gonna do a removal video for you guys today. But before we do that, let me just tell you my thoughts on the nail kit. I do absolutely think this nail kit is worth it. Each tube, I believe, will do about maybe 2 to 3 sets. If you're doing longer nails, of course, if you're doing if you're doing shorter nails, you'll have more PolyGel to extend the life of the PolyGel or whatever. But basically, if you guys remember, this was the nail that I had to add some on. It was kind of skinny, so it already was a pretty it was pretty risky in the first place because I didn't make that nail correctly. It was like this much missing, so then I added the PolyGel on and then I shaped it down, blah, 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 blah. Go ahead and watch my previous video and you'll see me explaining about this nail. All the rest of the nails are pretty thick and done pretty well. And I bought new materials so that I can go ahead and show you guys in our future videos with nails. I can go ahead and show you guys, what we can do. I'm basically not even doing anything. I'm just sitting here talking to you. Okay, so now let me do a review really quickly. Do I think the nail kit's worth it? Yes. It's about 40 to 50 bucks. I can't quite remember. Go ahead and watch my last video and I'll link the products below. And the nails have lasted 2 weeks. Pretty good, and I can probably just do a fill-in and still be good for a couple more weeks to come. So I definitely say this is better than heading to the nail shop. If you are practicing or beginning doing nails, I think this is a great place to start. So it gets a 2 thumbs up for me, and let's go ahead on to what this video is going to be about. So basically, I am going to be removing the PolyGel nails and trying to keep the integrity of my nails underneath. As you can see, this nail still looks pretty healthy. So let's go ahead, and on this hand, I'm going to show you basically how I remove it with the manual method, and then I did end up buying an e-file, so I will show you that method on this hand. Okay, so starting off, I just have a regular pair of clippers. I'm going to invest in the straight clippers or whatever, the ones that the nail shop uses. I just haven't gotten around to getting the Sally's yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut the nail from each side. That was pretty easy. As you can see, this is a pretty thick portion, and that's because when you apply the PolyGel and then you push it down on your nail, the excess kind of pulls here, and I didn't have, sorry about that, I didn't have my e-file to clean that up back when I first did these. So I'm just gonna go underneath there, and it's really strong. Okay, so my nail is still here. See, my nail is doing just fine. I'll put this here so that my screen can just stop playing these games. Okay. Alright, ignore my Juvia's Place palette underneath. I just want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing. And my camera is acting stupid, so it needs a background. Just gonna clip. And then clip. I really do need one of those straight clippers. This is annoying. Oh, that was pretty easy. Just kind of take that thickness part off. That's already removed. That was pretty easy. That is really thick. You guys can see how thick that nail was at the apex. Okay. Just want to try to get it as close, oops, to my natural nail as possible so I have less filing to do. All right, so as you see, they're still, you guys can see, they're still super like strong, like there's no lifting. That's the part I love the most. There's literally no lifting happening. Even though I didn't do a very good job with the cuticle area, like you can see like here how the cuticle is not like the cleanest or whatever. Especially here, you can see how there's like a, here you see how there's like a hump here. That's because I got it on my cuticle area, yet there's still no lifting. Like that is so crazy to me. So to start with the manual filing, I'm taking a 100 and 180 and I'm taking the grittier side. As you can see, it's this pretty side. This is the nail file that I always use. It's been used already. And I'm just going to file that bad boy all the way down. Now, because this is so thick, it may take a while using this method. It will take a while using this method. But you want to just keep going and file it all the way down. I have so much to file down. Look at that. That's a lot to file down. So let's just file this bad boy. Okay, so this is how then I was able to get the nails. So we have, you guys can see that. We're almost down to my regular nail. I think that's just about enough. I'm gonna take a cotton swab and clean off my nail so that you guys can see a little bit up close how much we filed off. This is how much I've been able to file down, and the rest we will get off with acetone. Now that took me about 20 minutes to file all of these down individually. Maybe a higher grit nail file will get that done, or just, you know, me working a little bit quicker, but it took a long time. Now I'm going to show you guys using my electric drill. Show you guys using my electric drill how I remove on this hand. I'm just going to turn it down, and we're just going to turn up just a little bit. I'm just going to go down the nail, back and forth, removing polish. And removing the gel. that is as much as I got down with the drill. Now what we're just gonna take is pure acetone nail polish remover, some cotton swabs, and some good old Reynolds wrap aluminum foil. I'm just going to put the acetone on a cotton swab. Place, well, let's do a finger that doesn't really. Place the cotton swab on said finger. It works easier if you do it this way. Go ahead and close that up. And then close it up again. And you kind of just let this sit for about 20 minutes. Okay, so I have all my Reynolds wrap fingers. I'm gonna come back in 20 minutes and show you guys what the gel is looking like. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove these. You can keep them on as long as you think you need to, but I think that's good enough. Now I'm just gonna take this like cuticle cleaner thing. You can take any kind of cuticle pusher, and I'm going to see how much I can remove of the gel. Coming off pretty easily. So that is just about it. Just gonna wipe my nails down one more time with acetone, make sure there isn't any more gel that I need to get off. And I'm just going to put a drop of jojoba oil on my cuticles and onto my nail. And there we go. That is the removal of the gel. In my opinion, the gel is very sturdy. You can see how long it took just to remove it, so I'm going to go with pretty sturdy. This portion is not from removing. This is actually from me bending my nail back and it lifting. This was a while back, but yeah, so you can just ignore that. That isn't from the removal process. My nail has been like that already. And yeah, so we're just about all done here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will have some more nail videos coming up when I'm learning to do designs and things like that. And I hope that you guys liked it. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you have not already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. And how do you do it? The heart this way. Yeah. I love you so much. And I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.